There's nothing quite like it. That first meet of the season, knowing your project that you spent all winter on can finally stretch your legs. It's no longer a heap of metal and rubber, it's a beautiful moving work of art. There could be one decal on it, or 20, 2 inches of stance, or 12 inches. It's the common passion that brings all of these different enthusiasts together for the first truck meet of the year. So use this as a guide before you head out. There's sometimes a misconception over what a meet is versus a show. SEMA is an automotive show, but Daytona Truck Meet is technically a show also. Your local Walmart parking lot hangout? Now that's a meet. There are no trophies, there are no booths, it's just a bunch of real truck enthusiasts hanging out, talking about their builds, and enjoying this super expensive hobby. They can be a spontaneous Saturday night summer meet or a planned event that has a bunch of people coming together from all over the state. But there are no politics, no crazy setup, and no competition, other than maybe lining up on the back road once the meet is over. So, what exactly are you to expect from a meet? Nothing really, but that's the beauty of it. It's a place for people with the same interests to get together and hang out. The benefits are pretty straightforward. You meet new friends and sometimes family through these meets. And who knows, when you have all these people around you, when you need help on that new lift kit install, having a couple buddies around never hurts. And speaking of buddies, know where to go to find these guys or girls with similar interests. A car meet might not be the best place to find like-minded truck enthusiasts if you see an import with 10 degrees of negative camber. Chances are he won't care about your forces or fuels, well, I guess unless you're into that sort of thing also. When you find truck meets and shows in your area, you know you're finding other enthusiasts devoted to the same passion and style that you are. An easy way to find meets is always Facebook. Events seem to pop up every week all summer long. And the further south you are, the luckier you get, with shows starting earlier in the season and going later as well. Another way, and probably an easier way to find a truck meet this weekend, is to create one. Crazy, right? You can coordinate a meet yourself. Talk to that chick with the lifted Cummins you saw at the gas station. Say hey to the dude with the leveled Ranger with a gigantic stack that was parked next to you at the grocery store. Chances are that they want to talk and hang out too, seeing as they have the same interests as you, even though they might not drive the same caliber of truck. It seems simple, but one of the most important things to do before a meet is to clean your truck. A truck caked full of mud isn't exactly what you want to park next to and talk about whatever is underneath all that mud all evening. Unless, of course, you're into that also. There's plenty of guys out there whose meets involve some sort of serious off-roading, but most of the parking lot hangouts you stumble upon are going to be guys who take passion in having a show-worthy vehicle. Go to the do-it-yourself car wash with a few buddies, take photos, hang out, and enjoy cleaning your vehicle. It's probably the second most rewarding part of your truck, only falling second to starting it up the day that it's all done. But that's a whole nother video. Spray it down, dry it off, and clean your wheels. Your wheels are one of the first things that people notice, and having shining, clean wheels is just an important part to a clean truck. That's it. It's not a show, there's no trophy for best paint. It's cleaning up to look presentable for others to check out and for you to show off. And who knows, that one truck girl just might show up and take interest in you, or at least your truck. Another crucial thing to remember is don't be a jackass. If you're showing up to someone's meet or you're hosting a meet, you don't want to be that guy. As a meet host, being a douchebag means nobody will return for another one of your meets. As an attendee to a meet, you may not be welcome next time if you're the one roasting your tires in the parking lot. And unless you have the most insane build there, you probably won't have crowds of people surrounding your truck and checking it out all night long. Being presentable and open means you're able to check out others' builds and start talking with strangers who may one day become a good friend of yours. You never know. The same goes for rolling coal all over the crowd when you leave a meet. It's just not necessary and draws unwanted attention from the cops and may ruin the meets for the rest of your community. Lastly, don't stop coming. I know that's what she said, but it's true. If you keep showing up to truck meets, they will be successful and grow and continue on. Every person who attends a meet helps keep these events happening. I've seen so many groups and events start and then disappear each season just because of the lack of commitment. It's not a job or a requirement for truck enthusiasts to go to meets every weekend all summer long, but the more that you can attend and contribute, the more your truck crew will grow. And those high school kids who want a truck like yours one day will come out too. We're literally growing the next generation of car and truck enthusiasts from these meets. So go out and create that group chat, make that Facebook page, or just show up at the same parking lot every Friday night. That's all you need to have a successful truck meet. It's finally time to go out and enjoy the weather. Make sure to take the time to enjoy your build and others in the community as well. Now that you have all you need to know, I have a meet to start planning myself. Good luck.